weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Stark County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near East Stark and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Louisville, Alliance. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Stark, Ohio,